Namaskar. Good morning. Pegasus is classified as a weapon. Should I take off?
Yeah.
Pegasus is classified by the Israeli state as a weapon. And that weapon is supposed to be used against terrorists. The Prime Minister and the Home Minister have used this weapon against the Indian state and against our institutions. They have used it politically, they have used it in Karnataka, they have used it to scuttle probes, they have used it against the Supreme Court, they have used it against all the institutions of this country. The only word for this is treason. There is no other word for this. Right? And this has to be investigated and the Home Minister has to resign. देखिए ये पेगासस जो है इसको लोग सॉफ्टवेयर कहते हैं, स्नूपिंग सॉफ्टवेयर कहते हैं, ये हथियार है. इजरायली सरकार इसको हथियार का क्लासिफिकेशन देती है और ये हथियार आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ, क्रिमिनल्स के खिलाफ यूज किया जाता है. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री ने और होम मिनिस्टर ने इस हथियार को हिंदुस्तान के इंस्टीट्यूशंस के खिलाफ, हिंदुस्तान के लोकतंत्र के खिलाफ इसका प्रयोग किया है. मेरा फोन टैप किया, ये मेरी प्राइवेसी का मामला नहीं है, ये राहुल गांधी की प्राइवेसी का मामला नहीं है. मैं विपक्ष का एक नेता हूं, मैं जनता की आवाज उठाता हूं. ये उस पर आक्रमण है, ये जनता की आवाज पर आक्रमण है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे पेगासस का प्रयोग किया गया. राफेल का जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है उसको रोकने के लिए पेगासस का प्रयोग किया गया. तो नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस हथियार को हमारे देश के खिलाफ यूज किया है और इसके लिए सिर्फ एक शब्द है, ट्रीजन. होम मिनिस्टर को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट इंक्वायरी नरेंद्र मोदी पे होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इस पेगासस को का ऑथराइजेशन और कोई कर नहीं सकता है. इस पेगासस का ऑथराइजेशन प्रधानमंत्री और होम मिनिस्टर कर सकते हैं. आपके कोई सवाल हो?
The list which has come today,
Can we take one by one, ma'am?
the list which has come out today
I'll come to you.
on the Pegasus thing, it includes a businessman, a leading businessman whose name was there in the offset list. The inquiry is going on in France, but here the government is mum. How do you take this?
Look, I have said very clearly that there has been gross theft in Rafael. None of you people supported me. This is the truth. For whatever reason, none of you people supported me. But the truth has a way of coming out. Right? There is an inquiry in France, and you will see the Prime Minister himself is responsible for corruption in Rafael. You'll see it. Right? You can't buy everybody. You might think you can buy everybody. The Prime Minister might think he can suppress everybody. He might buy everybody. We can't. And the reason all those people, you're seeing, even in your question, you're asking a very interesting question. You're asking it in a very particular way. Why are you not asking why the CBI director's phone was not tapped? Why are you asking me about Anil Ambani?
I can
No, you can't ask me because because this is a mischievous question. The real question is, why on the last minute, when the CBI director was about to file an FIR, why was his phone tapped and why was he blackmailed? That's the real question. And who did it? That's the question. The question is not whether Anil Ambani's phone was tapped. See, so even in your questions,
It's all related.
no, but you have to ask the correct question. See, you have to ask the precise question.
Rahul ji,
So the answer is, the entire Indian state is under attack. The amazing thing is, you don't know, you don't seem to understand that you are being attacked. Maybe because you're paid, maybe because you have to live with these cameras, maybe. But this is not an attack on Rahul Gandhi, this is not an attack on individuals, this is an attack on the Indian state.